If you're new to this channel, please like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification so every time I uploaded video, you'll get notified.
Okay, there you go. Elaine, go with them. With the flowers, it's nice. Okay, 1, 2, 3, cheers. Asa yung mga bata?
Take pictures
Come
first.
on. Mga nakabihis kayo. Take Peanut with you so that he'll get a photo. Go and Peanut. You and Peanut. I'll take a photo.
Peanut, did you eat?
Okay, Peanut, go.
Okay, dali.
Okay, here. Elaine, you and Peanut. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you and Mommy. Okay, 1, 2, 3. And Daddy. Okay. Okay, go.
Come on, guys. Quick.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Cheers. Okay. Peanut! Peanut is not looking.
Your butt. Sit down. Hey, come on. Sit down.
Peanut, what more? Oh my goodness, nice photo. Okay.
Jiro, with Ate Tita
Ah,
na. Ikaw naman.
yeah,
picture.
ikaw.
Jiro, take picture first.
Kasama ba ako? Hindi naman ako nakasuot. Bakit?
Yeah. 1, 2, Peanut. Peanut looking.
Okay, Ate Maria.
Peanut.
It's okay.
Oh, kayo lang. Peanut, come on, let's go. Peanut. Let's go.
It's not raining on this side. Sunny. Bit cloudy. Is that the Mayfair? Oh, yeah.
Boy, where you going? Boy, where you going? Hello.
Make sure there's no water in the furnace.
Nothing is leaking.
Hey guys, we're walking to the parliament now. You can see the kids are here behind me. Right, guys? Okay, so we're walking right here. Uy, tumingin ka dito. It's against the light dyan in this way. Madilim. Anong ginagawa natin dito? Jiro! Hi. Smile! Oh my goodness, look at this guy. Kita naman dyan.
Let's go upstairs and see what they have in here. Look at that. I am on the second floor. And there is where they're having the meeting. So I need to find out what's in there. Oh, they're already taking pictures here. Look at that. Yeah, this is where all the government officials are doing their meeting at the parliament. Inside, there you go. It's closed right now. There's no set meeting there. And if there's a meeting, we're unable to go inside there, of course. And I don't think we are allowed to film once there's meeting being held.
Guys, take picture here, Canada. Okay guys, we're gonna go on a tour. We're just, while we're waiting, we're gonna have to just go around and look at the scenery here. We're gonna go on a 45 minutes tour today, and they cost us $30 each. There's 6 of us going, so stay tuned.
It's like driving a Prius.
That's what I do.
So I will not necessarily be looking at what I'm talking about. I might look at you, I might look at someone, but don't worry about where I'm looking at. If I say it's at a military base, which is in Esquimalt, which has on it a shipyard that is contracted to do all the ships for the federal government. And the reason I tell you this is because that is why it looks like it does. Because it was meant to impress all the passengers coming in on the CP steamships, that they would actually stay there. So my question to you is, looking at that hotel, it's one building. How many buildings are you actually looking at?
3?
Now, I'll give you some clues. Look at where the flag is. Look at the towers. Look at the color of the concrete and how it changes. Look at the brick. Look at the brick. Look at the brick and the color of the brick. Okay? And look at the windows in the roof. Okay. Who's going to give me an answer? This is your get off the boat question.
Mix down. That's the Empress Hotel.
Hey guys, we just finished our 1-hour boat cruise. It's a harbor water taxi and we had a great time. So now we're taking pictures here.
It's beautiful, British Columbia, Victoria, BC. Visitor center is over there. We went on a boat cruise earlier. We had a great time. It was like an hour boat cruise. Look at the flowers started to come out. It's raining here now. This is the Empress. The Empress Hotel. now we're gonna cross the street over there where we park our car. And my husband is there. He's taking videos. The weather is nice today compared to last night and yesterday. This is a downtown Victoria. Starbucks here is very big.
Hindi yan madudumihan.
Ayaw niya ang kasama dito.
Dito ka.
Hey guys, look. We're still here in downtown. We're waiting for the kids. They went on that way. So we're just gonna wait here and listen to this music.
If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the bell notification so every time I uploaded video, you'll get notified. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.